Hi, I'm Diego Butzke and I'm the JCB Product Manager for backhoe loaders in North America. And today, we'll do a product walk around on our most popular model, the 3CX15 Super. So today, what you see here is a 6-in-1 bucket. So the 6-in-1 bucket, obviously you have 6 operations you can do with it using the clam shovel. Another feature you can get on our backhoes is a quick hitch. Usually buckets are provided with a direct mount as is standard, but you can also get a quick hitch, and then you're easy changing or swapping attachments, like from buckets to forks or any other attachment you can find for our backhoes. The other thing on our loader arms is the fact that we have 4 cylinders. So four cylinders will provide you 2 things. One, 2 cylinders for tilting the bucket, providing more breakout force, and the ability to actually see the bucket without anything in your line of view. The other feature we deliver with our loader arms is parallel lift. Parallel lift will ensure that the loader is fully leveled from the bottom all the way to the top and on the way back as well. So that is a system mechanically built into the loader arms that will do that for you. The torsion box on our backhoe loader arms is large to ensure a lot of rigidity in the structure and avoid the arms from twisting. Also, there are baffle plates welded inside the loader arms that will take all the brunt of the impact, which is transferred from the bucket all the way across the loader arms. There are other features that, for example, will increase the lifespan of our loader arms. For example, the cat welds that we've put in some locations in our loader arms to expand the area where the brunt of the impact is dispersed. Because we have parallel lift and 4 cylinders, we installed Return to D, or RTD, standard on our backhoes. Float is a standard as well. With JCB backhoes, we have a range of engines that we use from 74 horsepower to 109 horsepower. These engines, they are designed and manufactured by JCB, and they're completely integrated with the transmission and the axle. On the transmissions, we do have 3 types of transmissions. We have manual, power shift, and then we have auto shift. The fact that we design and manufacture the prop shaft, which we offset to the right-hand side, allowing the engine to sit a little lower on the chassis, giving a better center of gravity, and also providing the shaft to go up a little bit so you have better ground clearance. The other thing that we have in our front axle is the steering rod located on the back of the axle. So the axle actually protects the steering rod and the steering cylinder. Both hubs on the front axle, they are larger than the competition, usually by 25%. And that is great because we can actually put more fluid in, and because of that, the hubs will have a longer life. The rear axle has LSD, or limited slip differential. It provides the ability to transfer the traction power from one wheel to another. On the 4CX, we have a large wheel in the front of the machine as well. It improves flotation, traction, and ground clearance on the machine. The 4CX is all about the front end. It's all about loader performance, and those features will help improve the performance of the loader. We have 3 steering modes on the machine. 2-wheel steer if you're traveling with the machine at 25 miles per hour. All-wheel steer if you're working in the work site and you need those tight turns. Or crab steer if you have to reposition the machine against a wall or a fence or in any other tight space. The 74 horsepower 3CX is fitted with several features that will improve the machine lifetime, such as steel fuel tank, steel mud guards, and additional protection on the stabilizer legs. That ensures that our machine has the best cost of ownership in the industry. This machine also comes with a gear pump instead of a very flow pump, which makes it easy and cost effective. The easiest way to identify a 3CX 74 horsepower is looking at the roof. If it's got a black roof, it is 74 horsepower. Our stabilizer legs provide the best stability in the industry. They're provided with flip-over feet, so you can engage rubber pads on grounds that you cannot damage, like asphalt or sidewalks. and you have the steel part of it that you can engage rocks and dirt. Our stabilizer legs, they have the largest footprint in the industry, and that gives you a great platform to do any lifting or digging on the side of the machine. Hose burst check valves are installed standard to prevent any tip over or rollover of the machine if you're lifting anything heavy on the side. Another feature on the rear chassis is the way we laid out the hoses. They're nicely separated from each other. They go through the inside of the structure everywhere, and they have several bulkheads all the way to the last hose. Another feature on the rear chassis, you can see a lot of steel built into the structure on the top plate and the bottom plate. Our swing cylinders are the best in the industry. They provide the highest torque levels you can ever find in a backhoe. Our boom and dipper, they have the same length. So if you're trenching, you can dig a long trench and then you reposition the machine. The other thing we have on our dipper is our extending dipper design. We do have an inner box design. The inner box, when extended out, provide better lifting capacity and better excavation capability. Our auxiliaries on the back end are also great. We provide one-way flow and two-way flow standard on most machines. And by the way, we do offer factory installed thumbs. They're available when you're ordering your machine. Obviously, you can have the back end fitted with a hydraulic coupler or a mechanical coupler. The other feature that is very interesting on the back end is the lifting eye, which will support up to 11,000 pounds. JCB provides seat-mounted joystick controls. With them, it's very easy to operate the excavator end. So if you're operating facing the rear, obviously you're just operating the excavator end like any mini excavator or large excavator, but also because they are seat mounted, you can actually swivel your seat to the side and do whatever lifting, digging on the side of the machine as well. The other thing we provide on our machines is easy access to change from SAE, backhoe, or ISO excavator controls. So usually we provide a switch on the dash or a changeover valve on the floor. All other switches that you need to operate the excavator end are on your left-hand side, ergonomically positioned and easy to reach. So when working with the front loader, you have clear visibility to the front. You have clear visibility to the sides as well. You also have a lever to control the front loader, bucket, and the arm. JCB can provide a lever or joystick operated loader end. JCB backhoes can be fitted with automated features: auto check, auto drive, auto throttle, auto smooth ride system, and auto idle, auto stabilizers up, auto boom lock, and then the last one is optional, auto preheat, which will preheat the engine and the cab up to 30 minutes before you start working with it. JCB provides a composite cab floor. That way the floor will never rust and it's very nice and easy to clean. The pedals are ergonomically positioned and allow you to reach the gas or the brakes easily. The brakes are independently locked or locked up together. JCB backhoe's serviceability is easy. Greasing points and all checkpoints are at ground level. Open the hood, open the front grille, and have full access to your battery, isolator, radiators, and all the components under the hood. Everything is single-sided. So from this side at ground level, you can pretty much service everything under the hood. Now there's another thing, auto check. Auto check will do all under the hood daily checks for you automatically. So when you jump on the machine, turn the key on, the machine will read all these points and will tell you if you're good to go or if anything needs attention. And if anything needs attention, then that is communicated to the operator on the dash and it's sent through live link so you can have that on your computer, your phone, or tablet. And that concludes our walk around. If you want more information, visit the hub, jcb.com, or reach out to the product manager. Have a nice day.